Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Today we have another juicy topic on the table. The topic on the table today is why we invest in the stock market. We know this video might not be directly related to stocks or personal finance, but we wanted to share our personal and financial journey throughout the way, and it's only getting started.
Our video will be broken down into two sections: how and why we started so early, and our future plans with what we plan on doing. Before diving into the two sections, I'd just like to provide a little context and state a quote that Pierce and I truly resonate with, and that's money is only a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver. Knowing that you have control of your own destiny and money is one minute part of the journey that really can change someone's perspective on life. Money isn't everything and will only play a small part in determining where you are in the next 15 to 20 years. The decisions and choices you make will evidently identify you as an individual, and no one could change that but yourself. So at the end of the day, money is only a tool that will help us along the way, but cannot assist us with health, happiness, love, and your family. And yes, that's very cringy, but it's true. Now diving into the first section, how and why we started so early. Well, for me, I wanted to find ways to grow the money I made from work instead of directly putting it into a savings or checking account. And a quote that I found that matched that ideology was, "How many millionaires do you know who have become wealthy by investing in savings accounts? I rest my case." Robert G. Allen. So after reading multiple books and articles about investing, I realized how important compound returns can become. And to simplify the terminology of compound returns, it means the time value of money that increases over a period of time. Therefore, the earlier I started investing, the greater returns I could receive in the future. Another reason why I started so early was because I was genuinely interested in the stock market. When purchasing shares of a company, you essentially become a part owner of the company, and the idea of buying common stock from companies you're familiar with, like Apple, Tesla, Spotify, and making money from it sounded so fascinating coming from my adolescent self. Besides that fact, the stock market has proven to become another vehicle to make additional money outside your primary job, but comes with risk.
From a young age, the idea of a small amount of money growing exponentially over time fascinated me. I started getting even more interested as I began watching videos from creators like Graham Stephan, which only got me more interested and intrigued with the economy and really how it functions. After relentlessly begging my parents for a custodial account for many months, I finally opened my brokerage account right before the pandemic started on February in 2020. Well, we all know what happened next. The crash.
There are fears that the Dow will drop and drop quickly.
We're going to reopen in a couple of minutes.
2,300 range.
Have to start handicapping the probabilities of a recession in this country.
The SPY fell over 30% in a matter of weeks due to the news of the pandemic that would end up lasting over a year. To say the least, this was devastating to my portfolio as well as many others. However, this only got me more curious about the market. As I continued to trade and invest, I observed these market trends more frequently. I started incorporating better technical and fundamental analysis into each individual trade that I've made. I continued to learn from my peers, as well as discover certain macroeconomic trends in this world. Whether it be in investing or life, I am always still learning. Every day, I still watch creators to receive inspiration and new ideas, and I believe it is incredibly important for everyone to do so.
Now going into the second section, our future plans. Well, many people have different aspirations in life, but mine's pretty straightforward. I want to live a life where money doesn't interfere with my personal or social life. Financial stability and independence is something I value dearly, but won't sacrifice happiness when achieving that. Money is probably the number one reason why relationships fail, and I want to avoid that at all costs. By achieving this goal, I plan on becoming an investment banking analyst for 2 to 3 years after I finish my studies at college. And during the time I'm working as an IB analyst, I'm hoping to generate multiple sources of income, and this could come from real estate, stocks, or even YouTube. And after my time at investment banking, I plan on joining a private hedge fund with the possibility of opening a hedge fund in the future.
For my future plans, I am still very uncertain on what I want to do in the long-term future. I only know that I want to create a significant difference on this world when I leave it, and leave the world a better place than I found it. Money comes into play by being the thing that will enable me to follow my passions within the future. With the ample amount of capital by my side, I am able to do anything I set my mind to without the worries of running out of money. In the short term, however, I hope to attend a prestigious university for college. Most likely, I hope to pursue a business, public policy, or psychology degree, but I will ultimately let the future decide for me. I'm excited for what the future will bring to me, and I know that investing will help me along every step of the way.
Make sure to check out our Instagram page right over here where we post daily stock market picks and updates.
Make sure to check out our Discord, Stock Twist, and Twitter, all linked in the description below. And also make sure to hit that like button and hit that juicy red tomato subscribe button down below. And turn on those post notifications so you don't miss another video when we come out with one. Also, we would really enjoy it if you left a comment below, giving us a suggestion, something that we can improve on, or a topic that you want us to discuss, because these are still our first videos and we're always looking for new ideas. Also, we just want to say thank you guys so much for the support so far, and we want to continue to climb, and our next goal is 100, and we're hoping to hit that by June. So thank you guys for watching. See you later, and good luck on your investment journey.